Greetings and welcome to the NewsRamp Science Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, delighted to have you with us as we explore today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we curate business news from the best newswires, bringing you the most relevant updates. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up. While AI assists in producing this podcast and generating the voices, the news stories are all real. You can read the full articles on newsramp.com. Today is Wednesday morning, June 4th, 2025, and we have a great mix of science headlines lined up for you. So whether you're on the go, working out, or just relaxing, stay with us as we get started. Here's our first headline.
GeoVax to showcase innovative COVID-19 vaccine data at the Keystone Symposia on Vaccinology. GeoVax Labs Inc. will present data from two key studies at the Keystone Symposia on Vaccinology, highlighting the cross-reactivity and broad-spectrum immunity of their GeoCM04S1 and GeoVax multi-antigen vaccine technology. These presentations will showcase the effectiveness of their MVA-vectored multi-antigen COVID-19 vaccines in inducing protective immunity against SARS-CoV-2 variants, including the Omicron subvariant XBB.1.5. GeoVax's Chief Scientific Officer, Mark Newman, emphasized the importance of inducing broadly specific immune responses, particularly T-cell responses to viral proteins. The company's participation at Keystone demonstrates their commitment to leveraging next-generation technologies to combat infectious diseases and address emerging variants.
Biomed News breaks. Soligenix Inc., SNGX, highlights HyBryte progress in CTCL via new podcast featuring Dr. Ellen Kim. Soligenix Inc. highlights progress on HyBryte for early-stage cutaneous T-cell lymphoma in a recent podcast featuring Dr. Ellen Kim. Dr. Kim reported a 75% treatment success rate at 18 weeks and up to 85% improvement in patients treated through 54 weeks. The study mirrors the design of the current FLASH-2 trial, emphasizing HyBryte's safety and tolerability with no serious side effects reported. The open-label study eliminates rest periods and extends treatment duration, potentially boosting efficacy. Dr. Kim underscored the urgent need for new options in early-stage CTCL, highlighting HyBryte as a potentially safer, faster-acting alternative to traditional treatments like steroids, chemotherapy, and phototherapy.
Dr. Mafé García, a world expert on the Holy Grail, reveals its secrets in La Sotonera. Dr. Mafé García, a world expert on the Holy Grail, has unveiled the secrets of this legendary artifact in La Sotonera. Through a groundbreaking collaboration of technology and historical research, an immersive experience tracing the journey of the Holy Grail from Jerusalem to Valencia has been developed. Mafé's expertise was crucial in ensuring the academic and cultural value of the project, which will serve as an educational, tourism, and local development tool. The integration of artificial intelligence has streamlined production and enhanced narrative coherence without compromising historical accuracy. This innovative project aims to offer visitors a multisensory exploration of the spiritual and cultural legacy of the Holy Grail, while also promoting the recognition of La Sotonera as a key site in its story. Dr. Mafé García's leadership extends beyond this project, as she also heads the International Association cultural route The Way of the Holy Grail in Europe, with the goal of securing official recognition of the route as a European cultural route by the Council of Europe. This nomination would not only showcase Aragonese heritage on a European scale, but also open up opportunities for cultural exchange, sustainable tourism, and territorial development. The Holy Grail Route project, funded by the European Next Generation EU funds, is set to be a transformative initiative for the region.
Q.ANT debuts first interactive live demonstration and new benchmarks for analog photonic computing at ISC 2025. Q.ANT announced it will showcase live demonstrations of its photonic native processing server at ISC 2025, allowing attendees to interact with functional photonic computing for AI and physics simulations. The NPS promises up to 30 times the energy efficiency of conventional technologies, with benchmarks including 16-bit floating point precision and 40 to 50% fewer operations required. The system's core is a proprietary thin-film lithium niobate photonic chip, enabling high-speed, low-loss optical modulation without thermal crosstalk. Q.ANT's analog processors excel at nonlinear and mathematical operations, integrating seamlessly with digital infrastructure. The NPS is designed for next-generation AI and scientific workloads, reducing parameters in AI models and simplifying architectures. Experience Q.ANT's technology at ISC 2025 in Hamburg, Germany.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Science Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.